This smoky BBQ sauce will beat any store bottle, and it costs less than $2 to make. 1 cup ketchup, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons water. In a pan, add 1 cup ketchup on low heat. Add 2 tablespoons brown sugar and stir until it melts smoothly. Pour in 1 tablespoon honey and mix for a glossy texture. Add 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar for that tangy kick. Stir in 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce for deep umami flavor. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Add 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder plus 1/2 teaspoon onion powder for richness. Season with 1/2 teaspoon black pepper plus 1/2 teaspoon salt. Pour 2 tablespoons water and mix to adjust consistency. Simmer on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until thick and shiny. Comment "smoky" if you'd try this at home, or tell me your secret ingredient.